our little beautiful tuk the next 2 days.
I'm scared.
So scared.
How are they going to lift it in there?
We've deemed it incapable of getting through the mountains to Goa, and as soon as it can barely get into 4th gear, going over a bloody highway bridge. So, cheers. These short and not particularly strong-looking men are apparently going to lift it. Probably on their heads. I'm not really sure how this is going to work, but it's quite exciting.
First of all, they're not dressed for heavy lifting. Second of all, they haven't got the height.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Yeah. I mean, they're wearing their smartest clothes and they're
wearing shirts and trousers.
But this is quite exciting. Here we go. Here we go.
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
1-1. Strike 1. Failed. 3, 2, 1. Strike 2.
Is this fun?
That's strike 2. Please don't drop it, guys. I think they need to stick a few more bigger men on the other side.
We should probably help them.
No.
But we paid for this, so...
This is what we paid for. We paid for 14 slim little gentlemen. Here we go. I think they got it. This is... Oh no. Bottled it. Sam, get involved. Sai, get in there.
Let me get
Get in there.
Yeah, I'll take care of the hats somehow. Put them under your arm or something.
Yeah. Sam's getting involved. Here come the big guns. Here come the big guns. Yes, Sai. Absolute showman. This raw power. A little crowd. This is it. Everyone in. Yes. It's in. It's bloody in. Here's another lift. Yes!
In.
She's in!
How are they going to secure it?
Yes! Woo! Get in there. Look at the crowd. Absolutely loving it. Absolutely bloody loving it. That's exciting. So, this will be the last we see of little Tookie.
We're just going to leave it in there to roll around.
So that's our little Took. Enjoy yourself.